What is going on, guys? Welcome to Greggles TV. This is a review for BlendJet. It's their newest blender. This is a completely portable blender. Now it charges via USB-C and it goes for $50. Now this is the newest generation of this device. So if you want to buy it, you can buy it actually right now. Today is the actual release date of it at the time of me making this video, and there's a coupon code down below and it's also on the screen to save you 10%. The BlendJet comes in a bunch of different colors. This one is the lavender color, and using it super freaking simple. So it's very easy to clean as well, but just taking off this top, you can also remove the bottom, as you can see. And again, putting it back is very easy as well. So just using it and handling it, I've had no problems at all. Everything is very straightforward. Everything's really easy to use. Now, besides the blender, you also get a USB-C cable inside of the box, as well as some paperwork that shows you how to use it and what everything means. So as you can see right here, the BlendJet takes about 1.5 hours to fully charge and last about 15 plus blends, and that's kind of what I've been getting with battery life. And then if you have zero charge, circle flashes red and purple on the BlendJet. 50% charge, circle is half purple, half blue. Full charge, circle is solid blue. The troubleshooting information is very easy to follow, and I love that they inserted this into the packaging. There's 3 different modes. The first mode is blend mode, and that's probably the mode that most people will use. Basically, you press the button, it will mix everything for 20 seconds, and then almost everything's done at that point, especially if you're making a smoothie, a shake, or a mixed drink. Pulse mode is next. This is perfect for guacamole, salsa, and hummus. To enter pulse mode, double press power button. Blue lights will flash left to right 3 times, and the swirl will stay illuminated while pulse mode is active. Press and hold power button repeatedly to pulse. Pulse mode will end after 5 seconds of inactivity. The last mode is lock mode, which is perfect for sipping and travel. To lock, you must be in blend mode. Hold down the power button for 3 seconds until purple circle flashes 3 times. To unlock, hold down power button for 3 seconds until blue circle flashes 3 times. Next, let's take a look at me making just a plain apple smoothie. I added a bunch of apples with the skin so you can get something very, very healthy. I also added a little bit of water. And then after that, all you do is just press the button, and within 20 seconds, you end up with a smoothie. Again, this one's a really, really simple one. It's just literally apples and water. And it's obviously a smoothie, so it gets a little bit thick, but it's super healthy. Here's another smoothie that I made. I ended up adding apples that were all cut up and skinned. I then added 5 grapes and a handful of spinach with some water as well. And again, press the button. Within 20 seconds, you have this beautiful, healthy tasting smoothie. Now, before we continue on this smoothie making journey and more about the BlendJet and all, I wanted to mention it's wireless. So you can bring this anywhere with you. So if you're in your car, if you're on the go, wherever you want to bring it, it will go with you because it has a battery built into it and USB-C charging. So you could charge it literally anywhere that you want. Back to the smoothie making. BlendJet has their own jetpack smoothie packs, and this makes it even more simple to make a smoothie for yourself. Basically, what you do is you add 8 ounces of water and one of these packs, and these packs have real ingredients in them. You can see in this one, you can see the bananas, you can see the blueberries, and then you just press the button, and within 20 seconds, you have a very, very healthy smoothie that's high in fiber, that has a good amount of protein and vitamins and minerals as well. And best of all, you don't have to cut anything up. This is done within seconds. Lastly, here's a smoothie I make for my wife on the regular. It has 4 ice cubes in it. It has about 8 ounces of iced coffee, a protein mix, and then a little bit of collagen for her skin and hair. Press the button, and again, within 20 seconds, I have an easy to make, fast, delicious, healthy smoothie. Now, one thing I wanted to mention is how easy and quick it is to clean the BlendJet. So if you're gonna make another smoothie quickly after and you don't wanna clean it with soap, just add some water, press the button, let that clean for about 20 seconds with the water, And then after that, it's basically completely clean. You won't see any of residue on the blades or within the cup itself that the BlendJet comes in. It's very, very clean. And then if you want to clean it with soap, add some water, add a squirt of dish soap, and then again, turn it on for that blend mode. And then within 20 seconds, you are going to have a completely clean BlendJet without you lifting pretty much a finger, only that finger to press the BlendJet button. So let's talk about what I don't like about this, and because most of it I really, really like about it. The one thing I really don't like about this is that, you know, if you're gonna drink your smoothie straight out of this, it is a little bit heavy. You know, I can't take this off. Maybe they have some kind of attachment. I didn't notice it, but basically you could drink it out of this, but it's not, I don't know, it's not ergonomically comfortable to do that. So you'd probably want to pour it into some kind of cup or container and drink it that way. I mean, you can drink it out of this, but I don't know, it's just a little bit awkward. Other than that, this thing is awesome. I love this. So it's really simple to blend something anywhere you are. You can go to the beach, you can go to a park, a picnic, bring it to work, blend it at your desk, blend it at home, keep it at home, whatever you want to do. It's so simple to blend stuff. I absolutely love that it has USB-C. Most phones, especially on the Android side, and all these new earphones and headphones are USB-C. This has it, a godsend. I also love that it comes in different colors. So if you don't like purple and you want mint or black or some other color, they most likely have it. Just check their website. It's easy to use, it's easy to clean. You get about 16 ounces of fluid inside of this container, which is pretty much enough for anybody. And even if you finish that 16 ounces of liquid or smoothie or shake drink or hummus or whatever you're making in this, it's so simple and quick to create so much more. It's easy to clean, like I said. It's just, I don't know, it's so easy. That's and convenient, and that's what you want your life to be a lot of the time, especially when you're busy, and this is perfect for that. So if you want to pick it up, I'll link it down below. Remember, they gave me a little coupon code to save you 10% on your order. Thanks for watching. See you guys down the road. Peace.